Struggling to manage multiple tools for your online business? Exhausting, right? Switching between platforms wastes time and drains your energy daily. Meet System.io, your all-in-one solution for online business success. It combines marketing, sales funnels, email automation, and more in one tool. No need to juggle expensive subscriptions or confusing integrations anymore. System.io simplifies everything, so you can focus on growing your business. Create sales funnels, send emails, and manage courses, all from one dashboard. Best part? You can start with a free account. No upfront cost. Save time, save money, and eliminate the chaos of multiple tools. System.io empowers you to launch and scale your business with ease. Ready to streamline your business? Click now to create your free account. System.io, the only tool you need to thrive in the online world.